Many leaders in history changed their nations, but very few changed an entire world. One of these leaders was Augustus, also known as Octavian. He was a Roman politician and military leader who became the first emperor of Rome. His ideas, his power, and his vision created the Roman Empire, one of the greatest civilizations of all time. Before we begin, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Talky English, and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us bring more simple and inspiring English stories every week. Augustus was born in 63 BC in Rome. His family was important, but not extremely powerful. As a boy, he was quiet, intelligent, and very serious. He studied reading, writing, leadership, and the history of Rome. When he was a teenager, something happened that changed his life forever. Julius Caesar, the great Roman general, adopted him as his son and heir. This meant that one day, Augustus might lead Rome. But Rome at this time was a dangerous place. There were many political fights, and leaders wanted more and more power. When Julius Caesar was killed, Rome fell into chaos. Augustus was only 18, but he showed great courage. He joined the Roman army, made alliances, and slowly gained the support of the people. Many saw him as young and inexperienced, but Augustus was smart and patient. He learned quickly and always planned his next move carefully. After years of battles and political conflicts, Augustus defeated all his rivals. Rome was tired of war and wanted peace. The Senate, the leaders of Rome, decided to give Augustus special powers to help the country. In the year 27 BC, he received a new title, Augustus, meaning the honored one. Although he never called himself a king, everyone knew he was now the true leader of Rome, the first Roman emperor. Under Augustus, Rome entered a long period of peace and stability called the Pax Romana, or Roman peace. Roads were built, cities grew, trade increased, and art and literature flourished. Augustus improved the army, created laws to protect citizens, and made Rome safer and cleaner. People felt proud to be part of the Roman Empire. Augustus was also a master of public image. He wanted people to see him as a father of the nation, not a dictator. He restored old temples, supported poets and artists, and respected Roman traditions. He was powerful, but calm and disciplined. Many people admired him, and his leadership inspired trust. Even though he was a strong ruler, Augustus faced personal problems and family tragedies. But he continued to work for the stability of Rome. He ruled for more than 40 years, one of the longest reigns in Roman history. When he died in 14 AD, the people of Rome mourned deeply. They believed he had made their lives better. Augustus left behind a strong empire that lasted for centuries. Today, Augustus is remembered as one of the greatest leaders in world history. He transformed Rome from a republic full of conflict into a powerful and organized empire. His leadership brought peace, order, and prosperity to millions of people. Thank you for watching this story. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a comment telling us what you learned today. And do not forget to subscribe to Talky English and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss our next simple and inspiring English story. See you in the next video.